Hey guys, how you doing? This is your boy Prophet. We're gonna do something marvelous, something new, something different. Yes, it's something that I'm going to do to upscale my windows in my house. Yes, well, for many years we've been using curtains in our home for the layout of the entrance of our home. And I'll give you an example. See these curtains right there? Yeah, huh? You like that, huh? Well, we want to upscale that. We have been now ready to put some privacy control film. Booyah! And this is what we're gonna do today. So all you guys have been to Lowe's and been to Home Depot, and you know you don't know what you're doing. Well, guess what? It's my first time doing this, and I'm not by myself. I got my assistant. Boom, Natalie. Say what's up, Natalie. So guess what, y'all? We're gonna do this video. This is something new. We have never done a video like this, right? Because some of y'all that know me know I'm a preacher. So I'm gonna do something different. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, give me a like, some comments. Let me know, man. You did a pretty good job. You and Natalie did a pretty good job. So this is how we're gonna do it. So what you need here, right, is the actual film. This is the film right here. You need some Windex, right, to spray your windows. You need some clear tape, right, to separate the film. They give you this window film application solution. Then you got this little thing here. We're gonna smooth out the bubbles, cause we don't want no bubbles. You feel me? And we got a little paper here. You feel me? And we got the little dog right there. He's just chilling because he have no clue what we're doing. And we got some scissors. Bam. Measuring tape. Bam. And what's this? To cut. This to cut this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this camera here. Right? Cause we doing this live and in color. Y'all see me? Y'all feel me? Okay, here we go. So the first thing, hold on. The first thing, if you want to make this thing look good, you're gonna have to spray. This is the window application. You see, it's not too big, too, man, but we're gonna spray it. And I think Nata's gonna spray it because you don't want no buzz or nothing on it. You spraying that thing, she just spraying. She just spraying. Bam. Wipe that baby down till you hear that noise, that squeaky noise. That means you're doing the right job. All right. Okay. Wipe that baby down. That's what she's doing. All right. Make sure that baby is clean. We want that thing crystal clean. Crystal clean. The film, and notice that the bottom part, the sticky part, right here, where is it? It's right here. This is the sticky part. This is the part that's gonna go against the glass. So we've sprayed the whole top and bottom, and now we're gonna begin to separate. Look, we're separating it. Yeah. Okay. Nice and wet. All right. So now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get some more of the spray. Spray some more. Okay, don't worry about those bubbles. We don't want to take care of those bubbles. We love bubbles, but we can't have bubbles on this thing. So now we're gonna take it and pause the video. So before we put this texture on the glass, we're gonna spray the glass with the same spray, okay? Nice and wet. Bam. Next. We're gonna measure it up. You can zoom in if you can, or just move the camera. We're gonna place it right on the glass part. Okay. We did We let it extend some more, even though we're gonna cut the outside of it, but just move it out a little bit here. It's nice and wet. Smooth it out. All the way down. See that? Some people can use an old debit card. I'm not gonna give you a number, but look. Old debit card to smooth things out. You can start from the top. Move it up. On the edges. On the side. So what we're gonna do is we're trying to eliminate all the bubbles. Like I said, I love bubbles, but we don't need no bubbles up in here. Just stroke it down. Stroke it down. All right, look at that. The liquid's going down, down. Kind of like what they do in the detailing when they do your window tinting. So you're just using, you know, an old debit card, right? See that? Pretty simple. Are you catching me, babe? Mm-hmm. For some reason, my wife gets very attractive when I start to do home stuff. I don't know. She just...
Sexy.
She says I look sexy doing it, you know? He's doing home improvement. You feel me? So, man, if you want to get your woman's attraction, you want your woman to be like, that's my man right there. Get up out your butt and start doing stuff. There you go. So we're smoothing it out. Get rid of all the bubbles. All right. Next, we're gonna start cutting the edge, okay? We're gonna start cutting the edge. Where's my edge cutter? Here's the edge cutter. All right. Here it is. So you can start from the top. It's nice and sharp. This comes with the kit. And on the edge. Pretty straightforward, look, it's that easy. Do it right on the edge, baby. All the way. Right on the edge. Baby, all the way down. And then the bottom part. And really? This part might come on, you just stick it back in. How's that? Pretty cool. Okay. Garbage. I don't need that. Smooth things out with a debit card again. No bubbles, no bubbles, no bubbles. Alright. Telling you guys, this is my first time doing this, so I'm with you. I'm with you. There you go. Much better. First time, y'all. Seriously. I'm not playing around. I mean it, man. Come on, man. Who says that? Right? So guess what? Okay, guys, so this is the finishing touch. Boom. Somebody might be asking what kind of film is this? This is called the frosted film, okay? Let's test it out. All right, guys, so we're about to test this out. Okay, this is the side where it has no film, and this is the side that has the film that we put in. Okay, so let's test it out. Get close. Okay, Natalie. Bam. Let's see. You can see her there. She's just modeling. Other side. And you can't see me, but you can see me outside. Old again. Bam. New. You can't see me. Okay, so it worked, y'all. We appreciate y'all. Be blessed and give us a thumbs up. You better. Bye.